Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My heart was twisted. My heart divided. My lies are collided. I don't know would I even trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. Those scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I try to let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. Find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. Stop this song. We're shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We'll let them get between us. But none of us are our heroes. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters, the lying and tired. But dive into the fire, and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. Circles are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I just don't let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony.